Hey, we're back on the Mustang again real quick. We replaced some vacuum lines, and we fixed the line that came off the breather back here to the manifold vacuum right here. The car seems like it's running great. I think if he does a oil change, tune up, and put some 93 gas and some techron in it, it'll be running perfect. I mean, can't ask for anything more. You hear it ticking like a sewing machine. Nothing's missing here.
That's when it's hot.
Huh?
Got a problem when it's hot.
Why is it not going down?
Just be after it's hot.
Something's off. We're totally dead now. Oh, duh. That's bad gas. You got bad gas.
So?
Yeah. That's bad gas in it.
I mean, it's nothing that couldn't be driven out, especially on the
No,
highway.
you gotta put that Techtron and 93 gas in it. And change the plugs and the oil. I think you should. Yeah, it's bad gas. It's got a little shit. It's either plugs or gas. Because it's got like a little bit of... I think it's bad gas. We need to add some more gas to some of that. I don't want to run this in it without adding gas.
Got a full tank.
But how long ago has this gas been sitting in here?
2 months.
It gets that film across it.